Do you want to learn copywriting for nonprofits or even for nonprofit clients? Then watch this video where I'm going to teach you the basics. Hey, welcome back to the Entrepreneur Shack. Who am I? My name's Amanda and I'm an online marketer. I help people grow their business online. So if you want to learn a little bit more about marketing, sales funnels, copywriting, make sure you hit subscribe to this channel. So if you're watching this video, I'm assuming that you work for a nonprofit and you want to learn how to get more donations or more volunteers for the business. Now, obviously, a great way to do that is to connect with people online. But if you don't have awesome copywriting on your webpage, then how are you going to get people to sign up or donate or whatever it is that you want them to do? The whole point of copywriting is to create that emotional connection with people so that they trust you and they feel like they want to either connect with you, donate, whatever it is. Let me know in the comments below, what kind of emotional connection are you creating right now with your prospects? So let's just dive right into it. First things first is the headline. And the headline is obviously the main thing that people see when they come to the web page. Why don't we quickly dissect what makes an awesome headline? I'm gonna give you right now the most basic but most successful headline script for basically any business. So how to achieve whatever they want without, and then whatever they don't want. Whatever they don't want or want to do. So it's very simple. If you can fill in the blanks, let's say for example, so let's say just simply for the fact of getting donations, it could be just as simple as saying, you know, how to save the earth without spending every weekend picking up trash. So I guess it really depends on your nonprofit, but I'm sure you get the idea. The next thing is bullets. Now with bullets, you are kind of expanding a little bit on the headline. So with your bullets, you would want to not only list the feature, but also the benefit of that feature and the meaning of the benefit. So what does it mean to them to get that feature and that benefit? And don't be afraid to make your bullets a little bit long to fit all of this stuff in. But of course, if you need help generating these, I have a tool for you. Wait until the end of this video and I will explain. The last and third item is the call to action. So the call to action is exactly what it says. What do you want them to do? What action do you want them to take? Click here or submit your email or whatever it is. Now the key to a great call to action is to ask them to do the thing so that they can get the thing that they want. So instead of just saying click here, you can expand on that by saying click here to donate now, or click here to save the earth. So these are the three basic elements that every landing page or every opt-in page, every page that you want someone to have an action or some sort of result to their action needs to have. And that is just some very basic copywriting skills. Hit the like button if you've done at least one of these things, headline, bullets, or call to action on your page. Now, if you want to get access to a free killer headline generator, I'm going to put the link down in the description below. So that can help you get started straight away. If you do opt in, I will send a couple little extra bonuses to you over the next few days. Again, if you haven't already, make sure you hit subscribe share this video with your friends and colleagues. And thank you so much for watching. I'll see you on the next video.